Oh, this is your first quarter glass cat, please. Toing!
No, I already.
Slowly. Dale, slowly. Exacto. That's perfect speed. Right there. No. That's too much. That's perfect. Perfect. Keep going. Keep going. No, let us fast. Just like that. Oh. That's the second loop. I like this guy. Slowly. There you go. You got it, buddy. You got it. Slowly. That's the perfect speed for the beginners. Keep going, keep going. Dale un poquitito más. There you go. Dale, dale. Go ahead. Dale, dale. There you go. Dale, keep going. There you go. You got it, bro. You got it, bro. You got it, bro.
Mamá no le gusta que me llame a mí.
There you go. That's the clip coming up. Yes, buddy. Alright. I love when this clip comes from behind. Dale, por favor. Puedes increase the speed a little bit more. A little more speed, a little bit. There you go. Keep going a little bit more, buddy. A little bit more. Give me more speed. Push a little bit. There you go. You're on the last part, no big deal. Give me more speed. I like it. I like it. I like it. I'm a free man now. Someone is gonna do my job. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Voy a hacer un carro yo solo.
Keep going. Dale more speed. That's the last part. Keep going. Keep going. And the last piece. Ya, dale el resto del speed. Dale un poquito más. There you go. Keep going, keep going, keep going. There you go. Dale un poquito más. Keep going. There you go. Okay, buddy. Now it's me to get the rest, and you work for me. Okay? There you go, guys. Even a kid can do it. Okay, that's nice. See you next time. Okay, ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Pues órale, puñetas, no le hagas así, pareces puñal, güey.
No, la
Que te encaje este pinche cuchillo. Órale. So you're gonna use the orange? What? What is that too?
orange.
Chale, güey. Órale, slowly. Dale, dale. That's good, that's good, that's good. I like the sound. Dale, puñeta. Una batalla épica. Espérate. Cuchillazo en la panza. Que se salga la tripa. A ver, ni ves dónde estás cortando. A ver, move that. Move it. Now, pass on this side. No. Just hold it now to the other side. Te va a hacer el kick para acá. Espérate. Slowly. Aquí dale slowly, güey. Go slow. Porque you got a clip on the corner. Slow. And this Nissan, they make clips really hard. Slowly. Yeah. That's it. This is the clip. There's a clip right there. Okay? Now, go on this one. Now just loosen it. Change direction. Loose. Push it. There you go. You loose it. Now take this one out. Okay, hold it. And we're gonna move this guy over here because you need an angle. Okay, papaya. angle. Vente para acá, vente para acá. And now we're moving this one over here. Okay, now go like this. There you go. Be careful because you're gonna kick this way. A ver, ve si la direction is fine. You gotta be to the right. Push it there. There you go. You go. You good. Do it. Slow. Go slowly here because you got a clip in the corner. Okay. I don't want you to snap that line. Or I have to refit it again. And I don't like that. I never do that. Slow, papá. Slow. Te dije que va a hacer kick. Slowly. Dale slow como el quarterglass. Okay. Va a romper el clip. Vas a oír un crack. No, don't scare you with papa. Dale. Ay, no le go. Te oí lo puñetón. Hasta allá en la corner, güey. Pero ahí vamos a llegar a la corner. It's go more easy. Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. Slowly. Stop, stop, stop. Dale. Slowly. I got the defrosted connection here. That's the clip coming up. I hate these clips. I hate it. Mira, dale un poquito. Mira, este güey. You see that? It's a big one when I hate those guys. Okay, go ahead. Agárralo con el drill porque te va a hacer un kick. Dale, dale. Go, 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 go. Ah, slowly, güey. Slow. Slow. Ya, está ahí. No more. Stop. Now loosen it. Change direction. Slowly, papá. No, go up. Agárralo. Hold it. Now you're gonna get angle all the way here. We're gonna just trap the clip and pull it up. That's gonna be more easy. Ahora pasa para acá. Come over here. Insert that bit in the hole. Ya entró all the way in. Está all the way in. There you go. Slowly, because you don't know what directions you go. Dale. Now, change direction. Slowly. Dale, dale. Increase the speed a little bit. No, hold on. Hold on. Let me make sure, because I got the heat right here. Yeah, the clip. The cores go out because the bend with the rack is here. Okay, go, vete slow, okay? Que tengo la core afuera. Dale slowly. Just a regular speed. Okay, we're very past the edge of the glass. Go ahead, go ahead. Dale, dale, dale. Right there, stop. Loosen, change direction. No, change the direction. Lose it. Now move, there you go. And we're gonna go on that angle right here, and we're gonna just trap the clip and break it. It's gonna be easy.
Va a ver como
You're gonna be scared again?
No.
I know it. I know you're scared. Okay. Okay, go ahead.
¿Sí?
Sí. No, espérate. What direction you go? Oh, yeah, you're fine, you're fine. Slowly, slowly. Slowly, slowly, slowly. There you go. Dale, dale. It's gonna have to just pass the defrosted. There you go. Dale slowly. There you go. A little bit more. When you get on this area, you go slowly. You're gonna break the clip by using torque. There, stop, 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 stop. Loosen. Change direction. Loosen. Move this one. No, this one. Acuérdate que si le haces palanca, no tienes, no sale. Now we're almost to the clip. This is the hard part, okay? Right there. Okay. Dale, ahí está.
¿Tú te inventaste esto?
No, I didn't do it. That's for WRD. You see the brand? WRD. Chingao, vato. No, the other side. Slowly. Ah, te está diciendo que te va a hacer kick. Aquí sosténlo aquí. Aquí. Porque te va a hacer kick. Vete slowly. Aquí sí vete bien slow. Slowly. Slowly. Espera. Slowly. Dale. Slow. It's time to break the clip slowly. She's moving the glass. Don't worry. Suéltale. There you go. Yeah. Alright, loosen it. It's because the clips is really hard. Now loosen it. There you go. Open it. There you go. And that's it. You see the clip? When pulled in the clip, that's why it moved. There you go. This is the main bigger, man. This is the stronger clips in the Nissan. I hate them so much. Okay, so you see, guys, even in a kid can use an orange bag. So that's another demonstration. This guy will be my success here. I got a glass, man. Aquí, güey. Oh, pincho. ¿Qué pasó, Mateo? There you go. Agarra el vidrio, no se vaya a caer. And that's all, guys. So see you in the next shot. We're gonna set this glass and we're done for today. Okay? How are you gonna say?
¿Otra vez?
Nothing. You don't have nothing to say. You just. Okay. So you're gonna set this side. That side. I said this one. Okay. Go ahead. Go up a little bit. Right there. My turn. Push it up. There you go. And I push this one. There you go. Push it. Now take this one off. Brian, take this one up like that. And just put it just for a second right here. Slowly. Okay, and now push it. This one. There you go. Push it down a little bit. Pressure. I see. Just with your hands. Oh yeah. Got it. Perfect. And look, okay. Just careful, okay? Don't fall. Este acá. Y este acá. And what you gonna say? ¡Órale! ¡Dilo, güey! ¿Cómo va? ¿Cómo lo vas a decir? No, ni madre, súbete. ¿Cómo lo vas a decir? A ver, ¿cómo va? Escucho.
With the back set, my back is safe.
¡Chale, güey! ¡Puta la chocando! Me caes gordo, Brian, a veces.